For a few weeks a year, each mound, some up to 3 meters tall, lights up the night sky. The night also draws out winged termites that fly between the mounds to breed in their millions. But for the termites, the lights are lethal. They're attracted to them like moths to a flame. But it's a trap. The glowing grubs are termite hunters. They'll feed on the corpses in the darkness of their burrows, in one of nature's most sinister but magical midnight feasts.
It's the dog days of August in an Arkansas pond. A mysterious creature lurks beneath the surface. She's not just beating the oppressive midday heat. She's an alligator snapping turtle, the only turtle in the world that has a built-in fishing lure. This adult female is an old pro. She twitches a small extension of her tongue that looks like a worm to unsuspecting fish. Able to stay underwater for up to 50 minutes at a time, she can afford to be patient. While she fishes the murky river bottom, nearby her offspring emerge on the shore of a clear water stream. For 3 months, her clutch of 11 eggs has been developing in the sandy soil, incubated by the southeastern sun. It's been a hot summer this year, and that means these babies are mostly female. The temperature during incubation determines the gender. If it's at the high or low end, the nestlings are female. If it's more moderate, they're male. He samples her scent with curled lips and flared nostrils, a behavior called flamin'. He can tell she'll be in heat soon. He herds the cow away from others until she's ready to mate. But there's a young upstart who wants to steal her away. The rival is large enough to take on the king. The two go head-to-head in a wallowing pit. Both risk injury, even death. But the showdown doesn't last long. The challenger knows when he's outgunned, and the victor gets back to courting his cow. He guides her away from the herd for some alone time. He'll mate with many more females during the summer rut. But for now, the king has found his queen on the Yellowstone Plateau.